In this video, let's look at two more important Python operations that are frequently used. First one is combination or concatenation using the plus operator, and the second one is combination using the extend operator. So let's say we have two lists, list A and list C, and we want to create a list D that holds the elements of both list A and list C. This can be done by using the plus operator. And now when I print out list D, you can see that it has the elements of both list A and list C. Another way to combine lists is by using the extend function. I'm going to use list A from the previous cell, and let's say you want to add the elements of list C into list A. This can be done simply by using the extend function, using the dot operator, and then you pass in the elements of list C. Now when you print list A, we can see that it gives the same results as the concatenation using the plus operator. However, from the memory utilization point of view, there are differences between these two. In this case, if you see, we had to create a new list, a new variable, in order to hold the elements from both list A and list C. But in this case, we just extended list A with the elements of list C. So sometimes this can be more useful and memory efficient compared to this. This is how combining with the plus operator and the extend function works in Python lists.